Let's talk about getting more done in a day. I'm sure you've heard multitasking. Some people say it works, some say it doesn't. I do agree that time blocking and really focusing on one item at a time for certain tasks is necessary, and it definitely works. But I also think there's things that you can do that you can multitask with, and you can just get more done throughout the day. For example, every time I work out or I go running, I'm listening to audiobooks, getting my self-knowledge, my self-development in, while also getting my physical exercise in. I think that's a great multitasking tool. If I was to separate those two things, it would take much longer, obviously. Right now, I'm getting my exercise in and I'm creating content. That's multitasking. I think that's good multitasking. There's other items. Every time I jump in the car and I've got to commute somewhere, I'm either listening to an audiobook or I'm jumping on calls and knocking out calls. It's all about just don't waste that dead time, right? I think that's crucial. We all want to get more done in a day, and I think that's a great way to do it. So if you guys aren't doing that right now, pick one thing and stack it and see the changes that happen over time, right? And then also make sure you block some time to focus on some important goals, and don't multitask during that time. Really block everything else out, and those are game changers. Those are big goals that you can knock out when you do that. So hope that helps.